hedder Zoe. Jeg er 10 år, og jeg bor i København på Amager. Jeg vil gerne melde mig til Voice, fordi jeg elsker at synge, og jeg vil gerne synge Cup Song. I got my ticket for a long way round, 2 bottle whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for a long way around, the world's prettiest of views. It got mountains, it got rivers, it got sights to give you shivers, but I sure would be prettier with you. Håber I kunne lide det.